This video will discuss lead generation with the Upwork cover letter. So, let us begin. My Upwork profile is currently open. A platform for freelancing called Upwork links companies with independent contractors from around the globe. It is a fantastic method for locating employment, but using it effectively is crucial. You can search for jobs using the search bar on the right side of your screen. Right here, lead generation. You will find a lot of jobs here. On the right side of the page, you will see the option to filter by. As a result, you have options for filtering out your job. Let us now start the first of the jobs. Look at this one, shall we? The client needs you to complete the following job description. You must have read the entire job description in its entirety. The description needs to be focused on each component. Just click on Apply now if this position fits your criteria. You must create a proposal by removing the requirements for your job. The job description is subject to change. The bid amount can be changed to your liking. If you are employed long-term, you can plan a rate increase for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months from the time of hire. 3 to 6 months is what I will go with. The cover letter in the additional information is now the crucial component. I will advise you to use Bard AI, the best AI tool, for the cover letter. What is the most effective approach? Simply select and copy the whole job description. If not, log in with a Google account first. I am already logged in. It is essential to keep in mind that you must prompt Bard correctly and precisely in this situation. Copy that description, add a pop-up, and specify a prompt for this tool, such as writing a description and reply for the lead generation job. The description is here, paste it. The Enter key should be pressed. The thorough cover letter can be found right away, but this is way too long. If you want to get hired on Upwork, create a cover letter that is both brief and compelling. You now need to rewrite the prompt so that it is brief. The prompt must appear as follows: write a short of a few lines. I think it is perfect. Simply copy this text. Come back to Upwork and paste it here. If you want, you can alter something. Depending on your specific abilities and experience, you can modify the salutation and other parts of it. Here, you can type your name. And it is completed. Click over Send for 8 connections. Click Continue and then Submit to see a pop-up with the terms and conditions. This is how to write a lead generation job cover letter for Upwork. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.